ఏకేఎన్ స్ప్రింట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ తరపున తల్లిదండ్రులందరికీ నా నమస్సుమాంజలి. అయితే ఈరోజు గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ స్కూల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంటు ఒక ముఖ్యమైన జీవోను జారీ చేయడం జరిగింది. దీని ముఖ్యమైన సారాంశం ఏమిటంటే, ఈ సంవత్సరం ఎస్ఎస్సి పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫర్ ద అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ 2020-21 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్స్ని 11 నుంచి 6కి రెడ్యూస్ చేయడం అనేది జరిగింది. రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 11 to 6 and change of examination pattern for the SSC public examination for the academic year 2020-21 orders issued. Government order GOMS number 17 school education department dated 14/5/2014. According to GOs, okay, they have changed papers from 11 to 6 based on the proposal of the Director of School Education Telangana, which is located in Hyderabad. In the reference third cited, and after careful examination of the matter, government hereby order the following changes in the existing pattern of SSC examination for the academic year 2020-21. In view of COVID-19 pandemic, the number of question papers from existing 11 are reduced to 6, one paper for each subject for 6 subjects with 80 marks for each subject for the benefit of students for the academic year 2020-21 as given in the table below. So if you observe here, existing pattern and new pattern for the academic year 2020-21. So that is subject first language. Before we used to have two papers. For paper 1 carries 40 marks, paper 2 carries 40 marks, and internals, we have 4 formative assessment whose average 4 FAS average we used to take 20. 40 plus 40, 80 plus 20, total marks 100. But whereas this academic year we have only one paper and final examination which is for 80 marks, and we have only 2 FAs this academic year whose average average of 2 FAs which carries 20 marks. You have to understand here, the point is for final examination total marks 80 and which is only one paper, and internals we have 20 marks and total marks are 100. Second language, as usual, we used to have only one paper, and this academic year also only one paper, and only the difference is here we used to have 4 FAs, but here we have only 2 FAs. Again, as well as third language, English, we used to have 2 papers, paper 1 40 marks, paper 2 40 marks, and all 4 FAs, internals 20 marks. But whereas this academic year we have only one paper which carries 80 marks and average of 2 FAs which carries 20 marks, totally 80 plus 20, that is 100 marks. Again, mathematics, which carries, we used to have again 2 papers, paper 1 carries 40 marks, paper 2 carries 40 marks, and internals 4 internals 20 marks, total 100 marks. But whereas this academic year we have only one paper which carries 80 marks, and we have only 2 formative assessment which carries 20 marks, total 100 marks. And main important point is here general science. We have 2 subjects. One is physical science, paper 1 40 marks, second paper biological science which is 20 marks, 40 marks. So before we used to have separate papers for physics and bio, but whereas this year we have only one paper which carries 80 marks, but they are going to provide separate answer script for both physical science and biological science. Only one paper, that is 80 marks, but we have to write separately physical science in one answer script and biological science in another answer script. Students, you have to be careful about physical science and biological science answer scripts. In physical science answer script, you have to write physical science answers, and whereas in biological science answer script, you have to write biology answers, right? Which is carries 80 marks. And coming to social studies, before we used to have two papers, but this year we have only one paper which carries 80 marks, and internals are 20, totally 100 marks. So the 6 paper pattern, totally we have 480 marks. Before internals 120, total 600 marks. This year also total 6 papers, total marks 480, and internals 120, then total marks is 600. Only the thing is, before we used to have 11 papers, now we have only 6 papers. The 6 paper pattern is for this academic year only, that is 2020-21. As a part of the new 6 question paper, the paper 1 and paper 2 of the first language, English, mathematics, general science, physics and biology and social studies shall be merged into a single paper instead of 2 papers for each subject. There shall be no change in the second language paper. Answer booklets shall be issued separately for physical science part A and biological science part B to facilitate valuation of the answer scripts. Frame questions from the syllabus given under essential core concepts units for classroom transaction for all subjects, which was already communicated to the officers concerned. Provide more choice in question papers for each question paper in view of conduct of classes through online mode from 1st September 2020 in the state for major part of the academic year 2020-21. Increase the earlier prescribed time by half an hour. Before we have only 2 hours 45 minutes, but this academic year we have 3 hours 15 minutes. They have increased half an hour time. There will be no change in the existing weightage of marks. 80 marks for final examination, board exam, and 20 marks for formative assessment for all 6 papers. There is no change in the marks pattern of composite courses. There is no change in the marks pattern of vocational courses. The Director of School Education, Telangana, Hyderabad is requested to take necessary action in the matter accordingly. Our Chief Secretary to Government is Chitra Ramachandran, which is copied to the Director, SCERT, Telangana, Hyderabad. I hope you all understood. We have only 6 papers this academic year. According to that, we have to start our preparation. Thank you.